right, so we are looking at the USS Lexington camera. This one sits atop our camera, of course, on the Lex, looking at both harbor bridges. So, of course, we are anxiously awaiting the historic demolition of this bridge, and you know, a lot of it is going to have to do with the timing. So what's going on with this bridge is going to be a fine-tuning of when these winds are going to be finally relaxed and when we're finally going to be able to have a good viewing point. So the target date, I think, is going to be Thursday. Right now we are about to start a gale warning, so that is an alert that is issued when we have very strong winds. Those strong winds are forecast to begin tonight and carry on into tomorrow. That's why the main span will not be lowered tomorrow, but we also need a 10-hour window of daylight, according to officials. So these winds are going to be improving as we head into early Thursday, so they should be okay by Thursday morning. The gale warning goes until 7 o'clock tomorrow night, but that 10-hour window, we would need work to begin by 8:46 a.m. on Thursday. So if you're trying to make some plans, that is more than likely going to be a good time frame to head out and wait for this historic change to the Corpus Christi skyline. But yes, more on this gale warning. We're expecting some very strong winds. For the mariners out there, you'll understand knots better than miles per hour, but 25 to 35 knots for the bays. That's because there's less friction over the water, so those winds are going to be stronger there. Gale warning begins at 7 o'clock as we head into this evening, carrying over into Wednesday night, that should say, for those gale concerns. Now, very strong winds on land is also going to be a big problem because we have a red flag warning in effect since we have lots of dry vegetation. These strong winds and very dry conditions behind the front are not going to make it easy for us to try to get out and do activities without the threat of that fire weather. Extreme fire danger, that's 5 out of 5, top of the scale, expected on Wednesday. So this fire weather alert, a red flag warning or fire weather warning, will go into effect at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, last until 7 p.m. as those winds get up to around 35-40 miles per hour and our relative humidity plummets. Now, tomorrow's going to look very different than today because we broke yet another record high temperature, 97 degrees at the airport today. The record to beat, 92, set back all the way in 1921, and we should be almost 20 degrees cooler at this point, 82 the average high temperature for today. I'm also hoping before the night is over we could chip away at this number a little bit. A few showers out ahead of that front are likely going to move our way, but we could really use some relief from the heat, and our temperatures are going to plummet overnight. Many of us still in the upper 90s for inland neighborhoods. So if you're taking the pup out for a walk, maybe wait until after sunset. And tomorrow morning, if you have your dog walk scheduled, Siba and Gio definitely going to need a little bit of a warm up. It's going to be cool for the pups, the kids, everybody. So quick line of showers as that front moves through, say around 8 p.m. here in Corpus Christi, and those winds will pick up as temperatures plummet. Our front right now drawing a line of showers that does not extend into Bee County. Sorry, Skidmore, you're missing out, but Refugio and Aransas counties incoming a few of those little showers. Still hope that we may have a few sprinkles locally, but the front will move through and our temperatures are going to drop in a big way. And as a matter of fact, as we head on into tomorrow, I'm expecting the temperature to be in the 50s for most of the coastal bend, warming up only to the upper 70s. Disrespectful winds, very low humidity. Please be careful with any activities you have planned for tomorrow. And the coldest weather's yet to come. I think Thursday morning takes the cake. A low temperature to start us out on Thursday of 47 degrees.